Next house, The Ferns by McKee Homes. Meron silang spice kitchen. Alam mo, may separate kitchen pag gusto mo magluto ng tuyo. May dalawang kitchen. Yeah, spice kitchen ang tawag. Kasi ito pala yung front entrance.
Spice kitchen?
Yeah. Oh, may bedroom dito kagad. 1 bedroom dito sa main floor.
Bedroom namin ni Gian.
Ano to? Nasa basement? Going to the basement. Ganda siya.
I like it.
Yeah. It's nice.
I like it. It's like open.
Yeah. Na-extend yung kitchen nila, look.
Extended.
Ang ganda.
Extended, no?
Yeah. Maliit lang yung living room. Parang sa amin. Tignan mo yung yung fireplace, parang sa amin, di ba? Tsaka ganito rin yung iba lang yung kulay. May deck. Gusto ko yung ganyang kaliit na backyard lang. Di ba? Ganyan lang, sakto lang. It's nice. Ang laki naman sobra.
Ate, event na kasal namin.
Oh, yun yan. Pag may mga event, maganda yun sa backyard namin. I like it. Laundry, maganda, may sink. Tapos ito yung linen. Malaki siya. Ito. Master's bedroom.
Bedroom to yung series sa akin.
Diba? May shower, tsaka tub. At may door din ang kanilang toilet. Yeah, queen size. Yeah. The second bedroom.
They have 4 bedrooms after.
4? Oh, yeah. Third bedroom. May sariling washroom to. Tapos may closet. Yung third bedroom may sariling washroom. And then this is the fourth bedroom. Maganda. May sariling washroom? Wala. Yung isang bedroom may sariling
Oh,
washroom.
that's cool.
Yeah. Magkano kaya? Paano narinig ko 860 eh.
I don't know.
Okay. Let's go to the second one.
Cozy.
Yeah. May wash. Meron palang shower yung first washroom dito sa main floor. Yan. Diba? Kasi may bedroom dito, kaya merong shower. 5 bedroom.
Wow.
This house is 5 bedrooms. 1 in the main floor, then 4 upstairs. Okay, let's go to the second house. Yeah. Okay. Ito yung front entrance. Yan yung closet. Merong dito. Ano meron? Yan yung bedroom.
Thank you.
Medyo maliit to. Ang dami tao. Ayan. Busy dito dahil meron silang pakape. And they have coffee here. Ayan. Kailangan ko din mag-coffee.
It's hot chocolate.
Yeah, go. Ayun, there's a chocolate. Do they have iced coffee though? Yeah. No, iced coffee. Ouch. Oh, ang ganda nito. Ang ganda, puting-puti. Oh. Yung family room. Yeah? Oo nga eh. Gusto ko to. Itong area na to. Yeah. Family room.
Pinturahan mo yung sobrang puti yung bahay ko.
Yeah. Ito yung first bedroom. Malalaki din yung mga kwarto, in fairness. Yan. Second bedroom. Malalaki yung mga closet. At yung size ng room.
The yard is like anorexic. I mean, you need another 50 feet on the back side of
Your
this.
side fence is gonna be,
Like, where do you put the trampoline?
and then those trees are gonna be big.
Oh, laki ng washroom.
Yeah, this is like.
It's a huge washroom. But I don't like the tiles. Too colorful. No? Ah, walk-in closet. Nasa loob siya ng washroom. Oh, ang ganda. Ang laki ng ano nila, oh, toilet. No? It's huge. Ayan. So this house, it's $795. This house, the ferns, we have to ask. So this house, the Levi, is 770,000 starting. With all the upgrades is 830,000. So this house is 770 daw, starting base price, and yeah, the entrance. And with the upgrade, so it's 830. This house, so parang hindi ko makalimutan. What is in here?
So you should go to IKEA at the south and then just drive around this like 5-6 stores there. I just picked up all the furniture.
Yeah.
I was lucky picking up the whole store.
So this is the quick possession homes kung interesado kayo. So yun yung mga prices nila. So may pa-raffle sila. Ako nga din. Yung first bedroom. And then second bedroom. Ang cute ang ganito. No? Yung ganyang kulay. Pag sa babae. Ganyan yung kay Princess, di ba? Tapos ito yung washroom. Ito yung family room. Gusto ko yung gantong kulay ng mga furniture. Yung ganyan. Yan. Masarap sa mata. Uy, 4 na bedroom. O office. May office dito. O pwede rin. Tapos ito yung master's bedroom. Gusto ko yung ganitong bed din. Ayoko ng bed namin. Ang baba.
Gusto
Yeah.
ni Kuya, parang ano yun, Japanese,
Japanese. Maganda rin siya kaya lang minsan ang hirap
Magtumayo.
tumayo. Tsaka nakakadapa yung dito, yung platform. Yeah, yung ganitong bed gusto ko.
Hindi masyadong mataas.
Yeah. Kaya lang yung bed namin Japanese style.
Japanese style.
Mm.
Oh, ganda ng carpet dito ah. to, yung tiles.
Yan.
Bet ko yung tiles ate.
Yeah, maganda nga. Ano?
1, 2,
Apat.
3, 4. 4 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms, tas may isang office.
Oh, so,
Pwede mo nang
4
gawin bedroom din.
bedrooms.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Ayan yung finished basement. Ah,
Ate, oh.
what?
Rakat.
Ano? May bar. Saan yung bedroom? Washroom.
Oh, yeah?
May bedroom. So, ito pala yung pantry nila. Ayan. Sorry. So, this house is 715,000 starting. So, ito yung front entrance ng bahay. Yan, ito yung kadugtong ng isang show homes eh, kaya ganyan. Busy na naman dito kasi may pa meatball sila. Hmm.
I'm sorry. Vegetable. Yeah, vegetarian, yes.
Yeah. Oh, diba? May nagluluto dito. Sa loob ng show homes. May libreng pagkain. May chef sila. Sarap?
Baba, kuna ko siya.
Ito yung masters? No? No. Ito yung masters.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ayan yung harap kita niya. May mga nakapila pa dun. Kailangan magpa-register sa event na to eh. Pero pwede ka rin magpa-register pag pupunta ka na dito sa mismong lugar. So ito yung masters. Hindi malaki ang kanilang washroom.
3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms. Ay, ang ganda nung ano. Tingnan mo. Gusto ko yan, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Arch. Ay, ang cute niya. Type ko siya. Second bedroom.
Look at this, oh.
Ang ganda. Ha?
Chandelier.
Oo nga, no? Ang ganda. So much. Tapos ito yung third bedroom. Ayan. So ano daw to? 715,000. 715 to 720 starting. Wala nang upgrade. Yung isa,
Yes, 770.
with upgrades,
830.
830.
Kulang ko si John. Wait.
Oh, food.
Food. I got the food. I got
For John. Kakaiba tong layout na to ah. Tapos ito may parang rear. Ang laki. Sa master's bedroom, merong sariling ano, balcony. Okay to ah. Magkano kaya ito? Type ko to. Kaya